Maybe
Yeah.
pivoting gears a little bit, Florian,
Yeah.
obviously you talk a lot about like Industry 4.0. In one of your articles, you talked about industrial maintenance as a service. Can you explain to you and share with me and our
Yeah.
listeners what industrial maintenance as a service means, why it matters, and how the industry is changing as it relates to Industry 4.0?
I sort of came up with this. I mean, some few people on the internet are talking about this, but it's something that I guess I sort of name, but I'm not sure. Maintenance as a service is when manufacturers, so machine manufacturers, OEM manufacturers, will pivot their business model to sell maintenance as a
Yep.
subscription to their customers. Yeah, I've been a lot of research talking a lot with manufacturers to understand why they not film the basic maintenance video, or why they not deliver this as it should be. And it's all about business model. They're not spending time where they can make money. Basically it's a business rule. Like if you don't get your investment back, then you're not spending too much time. So most manufacturer, and again, it's hard to in such a short time to put everybody in the same basket, but most of the manufacturers will make money on their service, their spare parts, and
Yeah.
maybe and then the training. But until they don't find a way to replace this revenue, they have to at the moment spend a lot of money in connected sensors and so on, and digitizing their machine. And then once they pivot this, they can potentially sell the machine as a service, even lease some machine, like all included warranty. You pay, I don't know, $30 a day for a machine, and then you produce as much as you want. And then the machine will tell you, hey, stop the machine, clean this, and show you how to do this, and so on.